Hello everybody, it's Russ and we're here in Las Cruces at Holiday World. We decided to stop in and see Brent.
Along these roads we roam, we find adventure through traveling, camping, boondocking, and exploring.
How you guys doing? I'm Brent Smith here at Holiday World in Las Cruces, New Mexico. Today we're going to take a look at the Rpod by Forest River. Here in New Mexico we get the western edition of them, which would be a kind of more of an off-road, a little bit higher ground clearance stuff on them. Get a couple extra things with them. So kind of doing a quick walk around the outside. I think the Rpod you can get your 20-pound LP tank. You can get the electric tongue jack. This year, the 2019, it is the 10th anniversary edition, so happy anniversary to Rpod. In the pasture area, one thing that they made available to it this year, you have a pull-out kitchen for it. That is an option. It can be taken out as well and give you a more pasture storage space if you didn't want the kitchen. Nice magnetic latches on the doors as well. Back here again with the Hood River, we're gonna get the higher, the off-road tires, more ground clearance. Actually raise them up about 3 inches off the ground compared to with the standard Rpod. On the 190 here, we do have the full pass-through in the back as well. It's underneath the dinette that's on the inside. You get the spare tire carry on a it's a 1 1/4 inch receiver back here. You can also take the spare tire off and put it in the back of the truck if you want to put like a bike rack or something back here. The Rpods do have the small kitchen slide on them, so you notice that just about every Rpod that's out there is going to have at least one slide on the side. You have the outside shower, backside the refrigerator vents, and then you have all your connections up here, your freshwater tank, your city water connection, and your water heater and furnace vents up here as well. It's a small coach, just a little bit over 3,000 pounds, can be towed by a lot of smaller SUVs and small pickups. So one of the things that's nice about the 190 is it has the U-shaped dinette, which breaks down into a bed, so a great second sleeping area for people. Also has this removable table that will collapse down. You can take it outside. You can use it outside for picnic area or preparation area for meals. You have a lot of storage over here, again, using the cargo netting. Have your TV, which the TV will actually swing all the way around so it can be seen from the bedroom area as well. Your stereo system, stereo head with it. It has the HDMI ports and USB ports on as well, so you can attach accessories to use for your TV. With your Rpod, kind of like I mentioned earlier, when we're outside, you do have the kitchen slide. You have the nice deep single basin sink, stainless steel sink. Got your 2-burner gas stove. A lot of drawers and stuff with it as well, so good storage space underneath here. Convection microwave. Get your 4 cubic foot refrigerator again. Your freezer on the inside. One of the things that's really nice about the 190 is even on a coach this size, you get a full bathroom. So full bathroom with stand-up shower. So again, with the 190, well, with all your Rpods, you can have your queen size sleeping area up in the front. You do get some good closet space and cabinet space in behind you. One of the things I really like about the 190 is because it has the bathroom and the kitchen here in the center. For a small family that that wants some separation, you can almost have 2 separate sleeping areas with the bedroom up front to break down the dinette in the back. Great place for the kids. Give you a little bit of separation for a little bit of privacy, all in a small coach. The Rpod 190 is a 30 amp coach. You got a 13.5 BTU AC in it. As far as your holding tanks on it, you're gonna have 36 gallon on your fresh, 30 gallon on your gray, and 30 gallon on your black. Furnace, 20,000 BTU furnace on it as well. So plenty of AC to keep it cool, plenty of heat to keep it warm. If you're ever in the area, want to stop in, come in and say hi. If you can't remember the name, I'm the only retired Air Force guy here, so that's pretty easy to remember.
If you're in the Las Cruces area, or even if you have to drive a little bit, highly suggest Brent. He will do you right.